what magic spells will be doing for us. And I'm giving up my love to this world, only to be told I can't see, I can't breathe, no, my will be. And nothing's gonna change the way we live, 'cause we can always take but never give. And now the things are changing for the worse. See, whoa, it's a crazy world we're living in, and I just can't see that half of us immersed in sin is all we have to give. These futures made of virtual insanity now always seem to be governed by this love we have for useless twisting of that new technology.
What it at? Come on now. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, we three willing in the four with the goatees. Oh, why do I live this way? Must be the money. If you wanna go and get with me, smoke it in the back of the Benzie. Oh, why must I feel this way? Must be the money. In the club on a late night, feeling right, looking, trying to spot something real nice. Looking for a little shorty, I know it so that I can take home. She could be 18 with an attitude of 19, kinda snotty, acting real rude. But as long as you a thick girl, you know that it's on. I peep something coming towards me up the dance floor. Sexy and real, saying she been peeping, and I dig the last video. Somewhere that we could go. How could I tell her no? Measurements was 36, 25, 34. Yelling, I like the way you brush your hair, and I like those stylish clothes you wear. I like the way the light hit the ice and glare, and I can see you moving way over there. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, we three willing in the four with the goatees. Oh, why do I live this way? Must be the money. If you wanna go and get with me, smoke it in the back of the Benzie. Oh, why? La 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 la.
Yo, what's the deal, nigga? Ain't nothing, Paul. We just here laughing and all that. Trying to get our heads right, get this money right and all that. You know what I'm saying? You know how it goes. It's another day in the hood. Yo, one night, New York City, heard it going down. Friday night, midnight, Atlantic City, slash machines, ding, 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 when they ring off. Lock the doors, that's when ghosts just G-Dos. Cigars, paisley robes, 4 bitches guarded me safely as we walked to the window. The cashier was scared, she asked for my info. The manager arrived with 2 guys, that's an insult. That's the cold, Mr. Coles. We talking about $5 million here, this ain't Play-Doh, dough. And your horoscope red, you gon' slay those hoes. We got scribbles, Anthony Acid, rocking the show. Special guest stars, Mark Bronson. First 500 bitches went crazy when he let they aunts in.
Saturday in 1999. Right across from where I'm standing, on that dance floor she was landing. It was clear that she was from transmitting on my frequency. She's cosmic.
One, two, three into the four. Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door, ready to make an entrance, so back on up.
Cause you know we're about to rip shit up.
Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Two low-ed out niggas, so we're crazy. Death Row is the label that pays me. Unfadable, so please don't try to fake this. But back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so I'ma let them understand from a young G's perspective. And before me dig on a bitch, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be earning her man and learning her man, and at the same time burning her man. Now you know I ain't with that shit, Lieutenant. Ain't no pussy good enough to get burned while I'm offended. And that's realer than real deal, Holyfield. And now you hookers and hoes know how I feel. Well, if it's good enough to get broke off a proper chunk, I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like this and like that and it's like this and like that and like this and Drake creep to the mic like a fan.
Well, I'm peeping and I'm creeping and I'm creeping, but I damn near got caught cause my beeper kept beeping. Now it's time for me to make my impression felt. So sit back, relax and strap on your seatbelt. You've never been on a ride like this before, with a producer who can rap and control the maestro at the same time with the dope rhyme that I kick.